Welcome back to Dimitri's Garage, and today we will continue to modify my 2018 Audi B9 S4, and we'll be installing this turbo blanket from Forge Motorsport, which I'm pretty excited to test out. I've never really tested one of these before. It's supposed to reduce the temperature on the cold side, keep the hot side of the turbo hot, allowing for faster spooling. First, let's pop this cover right off. It's just held on by some pins. You just yank it right out. And then I think we need a 13 mil deep socket to pop that off. Let's give that a shot. Got this little tray here. So this little clip where the wire is, it just kind of separates like that and the wire can be pushed through. There we go. So the goal of the turbo blanket is to go around the turbo right here. I have never installed a turbo blanket. We're gonna be working together on this. I believe these things are fiberglass, so I think you want some gloves. I don't know, I think it's said to use gloves on it. It comes with 2 springs. The logo is gonna kind of be upside down, but I think we can do this. I think what we have to do is snake this blanket through. And just don't let it get all cut on things, I guess. The goal is now to get our other piece underneath so it can kind of wrap up. And it's a little bit of a challenge. I think we want to maybe connect this side first or something. I'm trying to think. Because there's this pipe here and we want to get under it. So I think if we maybe did it this way. So the blanket is now coming up here, and you want to just snap it in here. And now, it's kind of hard to show, but that bottom piece, it's got a hook on it. And it should make the blanket completely wrap around the turbo. Once we use these little guys here, then I'm thinking this is a good job for a zip tie. So I got the zip tie on here, and I think we can kind of use it to pull the spring through. I'm gonna be itchy from the fiberglass, but the gloves just are not working for me. Got the spring on there, holding our blanket roughly in place. I'm gonna be so itchy. And now I'm also thinking I probably don't need both of these things. In retrospect, I should have probably snaked up rather than down, and you don't need both the springs, but it might help to get the install going. What I would do is kind of mold the blanket. The blanket is gonna be form fitting, so you really want it to be in kind of the final position. So I think optionally what you could do is try to fit the second spring around the front of the turbo. I just don't know if it's really needed. This thing's on there pretty snug. Let's throw the cover back on, and keep in mind you do have that clip for the wire. So you wanna carefully, without slicing it open, feed that back in. That's an important wire. That's your upstream O2 sensor. And yeah, the blanket is just gonna fit. It's not going anywhere. Once you put the cover on, the blanket's gonna actually be held down by the cover. We can give these a few torques, but don't break them. Throw our engine cover back on. Job's done, time to start testing, and I will have a follow-up video where I will go over all the bolt-ons that I'm putting on, the tune, and the sort of performance figures we get. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you'll be able to follow back up and see just what the turbo blanket did, if anything, and what are my long-term thoughts. Now, my initial thoughts are maybe this isn't a bespoke product. I get a feeling like maybe it was a generic blanket. It just didn't really seem to have any specific instructions, actually didn't have any instructions. On the website, it just kind of had some precautions about how it'll mold around the turbo and not to take it off later, that it might smoke a little, and just to, wear gloves, which obviously I ignored at the end because I couldn't get my hands on there. I get a feeling like maybe it just wasn't really bespoke, but it worked. So now we'll get to see if the performance is gonna be there. As always, I love to connect with all of you in the comments. There will be more detailing videos coming, more Audi videos, all kinds of content, so I'll see you again real soon.